Two things need to be talked about tonight. The fact that for a very long time, people from the establishment in cricket in India, people close to the establishment, those in the establishment, those seeking favours from the establishment, those who want to be on the right side of the establishment, and all the sycophants and everyone else kept all of them were in total denial mode that there is anything wrong with Indian cricket. The same people today, their jaws are dropping at the possibility of the IPL being called off. That's issue number one tonight. And the second issue, and I know we like Kishore Bhimani, welcome. I hope you today will not pull your punches. Saad Bing Jung from Bengaluru, welcome. Bimal Soni, he used to be batting for Srinivasan till recently. I don't know if he will tonight. B. Mohan says players should not suffer. He speaks openly, former Ranji player. And Atul Vasan, my favorite punching bag on these issues on the News Hour tonight, former Indian cricketer. Thank you very much, all of you, for joining me. You know, Kishore Bhimani, we like to create halos around people and turn cricketers into gods and demigods and everything else. So even if now, after Sachin Tendulkar, people think Mahendra Singh Dhoni is the next god, right, a reigning god of Indian cricket. The question is this: what was Mahendra Singh Dhoni doing? He was building a case for a man who was most compromised and compromising cricket, right? For a tainted man misusing his position in Chennai Super Kings, went before the Mudgal committee and said, oh, he's just an enthusiast. Why should we not believe that Mr. Mahendra Singh Dhoni was being selective with the truth? I'm being polite here. I mean, he should step down as the cricket captain, shouldn't he? Let him step down on ethical grounds now.
He was being, you see, he was being very economical with the truth. That's one way of putting it. The fact is, this whole cozy club ornob that we've been talking about, which comprises Mr. Srinivasan, the president, his son-in-law, the captain of the team. There are two, three other people who work for India Cement. Mr. Srinivasan runs the board. Mr. Srinivasan runs CSK. Mr. Srinivasan wants to be ICC chief. And all this, today, what it does is it conceals all the real purpose of cricket. And Dhoni, with supreme arrogance,
Absolutely.
says, no, Gurunath was nobody. He's not an owner.
Oh, yes.
Now, this is the problem, that how can today the Indian captain have no respect for law, no respect for justice, no respect for
because this is the kind of
refinements of cricket.
This is the kind of cocky arrogance that he was allowed to get away with. I mean, he calls him an enthusiast. Tell me, Atul Vasan, would an enthusiast attend team meetings? Dhoni didn't know. Would he attend practice sessions? Dhoni didn't know. He attends an IPL owners workshop. Mahendra Singh Dhoni doesn't know. He travels with the team. Mahendra Singh Dhoni has his eyes closed. He sits at an auction table. Atul Vasan, Mahendra Singh doesn't know. He manages the team. Dhoni doesn't know. And all this while, everybody, including you, Atul, including you, never asked this question. That why is Dhoni being selective with the truth? Why didn't you ask the question, Atul?
No,
why didn't you ask the question?
Okay, before you jump on me, I'm in total agreement with you that, it was a very juvenile and amateur attempt at whatever transpired. And, I'll tell you why it happens. It's happened, it's wrong. I'm not condoning or, agreeing to the fact that, but the point is that the guy is the Indian captain. He's not superhuman. He actually has to.
So you're allowed to lie if you're the Indian captain.
Has been going,
you can lie if you're the Indian
captain. I'm telling you. No, super. No, I lie. Okay. Again, if he, I'm just saying, because, if hindsight is such a lovely thing, if you would have known that 2 months later it's going to blow up in everybody's face.
No.
Prompt committee being formed and given a clean sheet after a week, so that's wrong.
You're going before a Supreme Court monitored committee.
The structure is such that everybody has to fall in line.
You're going
Nobody will stick there. No, I tell you.
What do you mean fall in line?
I'm just saying that why?
What do you mean fall in line? The Supreme Court appointed committee. 1 minute, let's be clear.
This is how the board operates. If you the board is, are you with the board or against the board? If you say, if you stick your neck out,
cricket be done.
I've done it, my pension gets stopped, nobody answers me, I don't get any jobs. If anybody
one second. Here's a wonderful proposition. One second. Here's a wonderful proposition.
Let's get one thing right.
Okay, Saad, go ahead. Saad, go ahead.
Let's get one thing right. It's not that we didn't say it. For heaven's sake, on this channel, we have said exactly that there can be no fix without a captain. And it's not that Dhoni has not been warned. It's not that Dhoni didn't know what the hell he was doing.
Absolutely.
Come on, yeah. The things, he has no business to hide behind a conflict of interest where to please the BCCI, because to please the head of BCCI, because he is also the president of the company he works for. If that's not conflict of interest coming into play, then what is? So Atul, let's other cricket captains of this country have been questioned. They've come out of it.
I mean, we're
Let
saying
Dhoni
the
also go
same
into questioning
thing in a different way. You're right.
No,
But the point
I
is,
understand.
I'm telling you, Saad,
where is the different way, Atul? Where is the different way?
Listen to me. You know, I mean,
Atul,
you've been a part of the system.
Atul, let me finish. Atul, I'll listen to
There's
you.
no
Atul,
different,
Atul,
there's no
just one
different
second.
way. You know,
it's not just us. It is the entire integrity of cricket, yeah?
Yeah, I've got your point.
And you are sitting here and saying, there's a softer way,
Oh my
there's
God,
a better way.
where have you
I'm
been?
sorry, there are only two
Saad,
gentlemen.
you've been
There are
part of the
only
system.
two.
I
There are
know
only two
it's wrong.
gentlemen in the.
I'm saying the system is wrong.
I'm not part of the system. I am not part of the system. And I'll tell you something, there are only two gentlemen today in the whole world of cricket.
Anybody who has played for the ball.
No, one sec, gentlemen. You see, we
anybody
say tonight.
One second, Anna,
we say tonight. No. My question is, look at Bimal Soni. For example, Bimal Soni. Now, I have nothing personally against him, but he's a nice man. He speaks well. He's deputy president of the Rajasthan Cricket Association, and Mr. Soni has been one of the staunchest defendants of Mr. Srinivas. Right. Now, Mr. Soni, you have been. You may not be now. Seasons change and loyalties change.
No, I have only one thing. No loyalty change. What I have to say is, I am very clear. Mr. Dhoni has done a mistake by saying what he has said in front of the Mudgal committee. But I want to question him once again.
Yes.
Asking him that if he has done this perjury, was it under pressure? Was it a fault of his own? Does he take that fault as if he has said lies? Or was he under pressure to say those things? Because under the circumstances in which the board is being run today, Mr. Srinivasan rules the day. Not many people can go against him. Not many people can speak against him. And this is the same Dhoni who was removed by chairman of the selection committee, who wanted him to be changed, and Dhoni was not changed, but the chairman selection committee was changed.
Yes.
So, what I am saying, Arnab, that he consciously gave the statement in favor of Mariappan. Was it under pressure?
But this
or was it by his goodwill?
And use
No, one second.
The word that Mr. Srinivasan.
No, 1 second. One minute. Do you know what it amounts to? No, 1 second. Do you know what saying something wrong?
I said perjury.
No.
I said the word perjury. Listen, how many people in BCCI? How many people today are speaking against? How many people came up when the action was to be taken?
Did you come up?
When Mr. Srinivasan joined back.
Did you come up? Let me ask you directly. Did you come up?
You are under a wrong impression. No, I am not a member of the BCCI.
No, 1 minute.
I've been saying, I don't represent Rajasthan. Mr. C.P. Joshi represents Rajasthan.
The question is this. I'm getting B. Mohan. We are on an interesting point. Now the question goes out. Forget the sentimentality, okay? We are playing a tournament in Dhaka. I know many people will weep. Oh my God. They will say, the morale of the team will be affected if you do something to Dhoni. Please don't touch Dhoni. Mahi must not be touched. But I say today, what about the morale of this country? The morale of this country, the morale of this country and cricket lovers will go down if tomorrow you have a captain who is under question for being selective with the facts, who may or may not have known that Gurunath Mayappan was party to sensitive information about team strategy, but went before a Supreme Court committee and said he's just a cricket enthusiast. Why should Mahendra Singh Dhoni not be called to account? He should be asked, either you step down from India Cements, you're Vice President of India Cements, Mr. Mohan, what a ridiculous situation. Vice President of India Cements, captain of the Indian cricket team, you've got everything sorted for you, you make up facts when you go before the Supreme Court monitored committee and nobody touches you. You hope you'll put out a decent performance tomorrow and everything will be forgotten. Mr. Mohan, what should be done to Mr. Dhoni?
As a captain of as a captain of Indian team, he's got a lot of responsibility to perform well, and there are so many people who try to be in touch with him. So whatever he said, so it might be in his own terms, he might have told that he's enthusiastic. But what I'm saying is, cricket is not everything. He has to take up a job. So he's been made as the vice president for Indian Cement. What's wrong?
No, what do you mean?
Everything is not cricket. So he has to take a job. So that's also important.
You are saying he needs.
I'm not
you are saying that Mahendra Singh Dhoni
does not need a job.
You are saying Mahendra Singh Dhoni.
Dhoni does not need a job.
No, this is brilliant. 1 second. Atul Vasan. Here's Mr. Mohan who says Mahendra Singh Dhoni needs a 75,000 or 50,000 rupee job at India Cements to sustain himself.
Don't insult our intelligence, Are you right? Exactly. Even if it's 50 lakhs.
Doing a job also gives a lot of satisfaction. Everything is not cricket. You see how many test players are all the State Bank officers.
Mr. Mohan, what job does... One minute. I want to ask you...
Please.
No, 1 second. The designation that Mahendra Singh Dhoni...
It is not the money. It is the name.
Somebody is trying to defend...
Name is important.
If somebody is trying to defend that Dhoni actually believes that Mayappan
who used the word enthusiast first.
Insulting our intelligence.
No, the word enthusiast was used by...
Did Srinivasan use it and Mahendra Dhoni follow up?
Srinivasan used it, Mahendra Dhoni
who used the word enthusiast?
Srinivasan said it, Mahendra Singh Dhoni was repeating it like a parrot.
Fell in line with whatever he was told.
So how come? How is that possible? That 50,000 rupees a month is not going to make that possible, my friend.
So the question is Mahendra Singh Dhoni...
It is possible because of the whole conflict of interest.
50 lakh rupees is nothing for,
No, the question is Mahendra Singh Dhoni Srinivasan's caged parrot? And if Mahendra Singh Dhoni is Srinivasan's caged parrot, then we want to know if he is. Otherwise, is he just parroting Srinivasan's words? And how unethical is that?
Because everybody is.
Who bears the consequence?
Why single out one person?
No, who bears the consequence?
No, I'm sorry. No, here.
Arnab, I would like to come in between.
Yes.
Arnab,
yes, Mr.
Arnab, I would like to speak on this. In the circumstances, even today, so many questions have been asked to ex-cricketers who have retired. But have they commented? I am seeing so many channels today. Nobody is trying to take on Srinivasan's
Absolutely.
mistakes.
I
am
saying it on record today. I'm saying it on record today. Mr. Rahul Dravid, what happened to you when you talk big talks? When you go there, you deliver big speeches at the Bradman lecture. Here is your chance, Mr. Rahul Dravid. Come out and question Dhoni and come out and question Srinivasan. What do you say, Kishore Bhimani? Where is Sachin Tendulkar, the god of cricket? Where is Saurav Ganguly?
For so many months we have been saying, Arnab, that the great players, the great cricket personalities are very so loudly silent.
Absolutely.
Today, a handful of people have spoken up. Today you're talking about the morale of the team in Dhaka. What about the morals of the country?
Absolutely.
Are we to say that our captain can do what he likes because he needs that job in India Cement? I mean, I'm embarrassed with 41 years in cricket to see an Indian captain who arrogantly says that Gurunath Mayappan has nothing to do with the team. He doesn't own the team. He's just one of the people who hangs around. I mean, that is terrible.
No, last
knowing
year...
that you are in front of Justice Mudgal, knowing that you are committing perjury, knowing that you're misleading the country, those who love cricket, and you can actually have defendants who will tell you that the poor man needs a job.
No, do you think...
I'll give him a job.
You think he'll buy the... Tell me, Kishore Bhimani, frankly tell me, do you think Mahendra Singh Dhoni did not know Gurunath Mayappan's real role?
If he did not know Gurunath Mayappan's real role, I would give up talking on TV. I'd go and do penance. I'd forget all about cricket. If Mahendra Singh Dhoni is one of the most intelligent captains I have met, one of the most intelligent, one of the most efficient cricketers, and he knows everything that goes on. Now, somebody talked about pressure, Arnab. I mean, here is a man who handles pressure better than any cricketer in the world. He can't handle the pressure of his boss. He can't handle the pressure of the board of control president. He can't handle the pressure of being in that situation.
I said Dhoni is as responsible, therefore... Therefore, Saad, Dhoni is as responsible as Srinivasan in all of this, because Dhoni was...
For heaven's sake, they're both...
Yeah.
See, their arrogance, their joint
most
arrogance has
captain
become the
ever
agony
produced
of...
by India.
No,
He has
hang on,
won
hang on.
2
Can I
World
talk?
Cups that you're not trying
No,
to
what does his success as a
Their joint
captain have to
arrogance,
do
I
with
want
it?
to talk about that. Can I please say that the joint arrogance has become the agony of a monopoly, of a draconian monopoly. Together they have completely ruined the whole situation that cricket stood on. Because you have cricket captain of India and you have the cricket boss who's gone on to become the ICC boss.
And what about
If you look at the Mudgal, Anna, one more thing. In the Mudgal report, if you read, and these are open documents, this is not the closed seal, which was sent to me by your office. I'm not taking the names because they have not been cleared by legal, but the names are bigger than Mr. Dhoni. The bookies are discussing names bigger than Mr. Dhoni as far as cricket. They have the guts to go ahead and take these names and say, isko fix kar sakte hain kya? Isko fix karte hain. Dhoni, he should have known that there is fixing and run for his life and stayed far away, na? Why did he become part of it, yeah? Why did he become part of that whole group?
Mr. Atul Vasan, Mr. Mohan says everybody needs to earn a living. Fine, everybody needs to earn a living, Atul. But when MS Dhoni is testifying before the Mudgal committee, I have 3 questions. Is he testifying as captain of India? Or is he testifying as captain of Chennai Super Kings? Or is he testifying as the vice president marketing of India Cements? I don't know. Do you, Atul?
I think,
Well said.
I tell you what, I mean, if you are trying to defend it, no, I don't, it's I see insulting our intelligence if we believe that actually he felt that Mayappan was a enthusiast, we all know what happened and why it happened. I can tell you the reason, because the system has been working like this and now it's come to something, now they realize, oh my God, then in hindsight, he must be ruining the fact that why he did that, because nobody knew that the Supreme Court is going to jump in and and use words like nauseating to finally define what cricket's administration in the country is, So eventually, I hope that, now people realize it's such a grave importance and, the way it is structured.
Atul,
unless we do something about the constitution of the board, nothing's going to happen, please. Believe you me, Arnab,
what comes out...
If a cricketer can be appointed by the Supreme Court, unless he runs around for proxies, unless he actually, have ground soldiers in the committees and the state associations, nothing's going to happen.
What comes out of this?
The system has to change how the board is constituted.
What comes out of this? Saad and Bimal, I'd put this to you. Let's be very. What comes out of this is we've always had this feeling: administrators are bad and players are good, right? Cricket bosses are bad and cricketers are essentially angelic human beings who are sometimes sucked into the nefarious politics of their bosses. Now tell me, MS Dhoni, an angelic human being, poor man knows nothing about politics. Srinivasan is using him. So how is it that MS Dhoni repeats exactly what Srinivasan told reporters during his press conference on May 26th following the arrest of Gurunath Mayappan? He has exactly same words, right? Now today every cricketer is silent. Sachin Tendulkar has not said one word. I want to know where Sachin Tendulkar is tonight. Where is Rahul Gandhi tonight? Where is Saurav Ganguly? Why was Anil Kumble looking so nervous? Saad, does it bust this myth that players are good and bosses are bad? Because eventually all the players and bosses are mixed up in this together. I'm not taking other names. You know who I'm talking about.
Players have proven time and time again that they are worse than the administrators. I mean, I used to imagine that could be impossible to do that. But now, since the 1990s, since the match fixing era and since nothing has happened, the players have only taken for granted that it's permissible and they've gone one step after another, they just carried on going. There was a player, there were 82 tapes that were of him which were being sold on Janpath in the 90s, which was part of Parliament record, I think. So things have got, players have no right today and therefore they are not in a position to, because they've been so badly compromised at every step, whether it's by money, whether it's by legitimate money or illegitimate money, I don't know. But they've been completely compromised where, to the extent now, they don't even have a voice where they're saying that it's sub judice, so we don't have a voice.
They're scared.
Arey Baba, cricket is suffering, cricket is getting hammered. We are dying over here. We want to know what the hell is going on and what do you people think?
What
we
a
can't because the judge has to decide. Arey, of course he has to decide.
What a shame. What a shame. Bimal Soni.
The judge. We respect
Bimal Soni.
Yeah.
So this, MS Dhoni, he's showing a lot of arrogance right now. He's not even resigned from India Cements. leave alone step aside as the captain. If Srinivasan has to step aside till the inquiry is on, what about the captain who repeated the exact same words like Srinivasan's parrot? He gets away with it. Should...
Arnab, that's what I'm trying to say. That what Atul Vasan has said, what he has said is that Dhoni didn't realize that things would come to this level. What he was speaking was like a parrot of the boss. Whatever boss had spoken, he spoke to the Mudgal committee.
Yes.
And he was under pressure.
Srinivasan would say
I am agreeing again that it is perjury. And now we should ask him again that look, you were
He
speaking
won't
under
answer.
pressure, or you feel what you said is right.
No,
and
he
if
won't.
he says, no, I was speaking under pressure, give him that benefit. Because listen, even
why give him
how many
benefit? Give him
people have
benefit. If
spoken against
you,
Srinivasan?
Kishore Bhimani, give him benefit. Let him get away if he says, I was speaking under pressure.
I'm not saying get away.
No,
let him ask pardon for the, let him ask pardon for the mistake.
Any defense, anybody can commit a crime and says, I did it under pressure.
What?
I mean, I am hearing
Okay,
this
okay,
kind
on
of
that
thing for
issue.
the first time. Pressure or no,
No,
pressure?
on
If
this
you
issue,
can,
he
if you
should
can
take
take on the
penance.
pressure of
He
fast
should resign
bowlers,
as
you
captain
take on the pressure
if
of your
need
boss.
be.
Absolutely.
Of course he should resign his
No, but
captain.
who is he
Sir.
protecting? Arnab, 1 second. Who is he protecting? Arnab, is he protecting Gurunath or is he, my God, for heaven's sake, I don't think he's protecting himself. Why would he lie? Is he lying to protect himself?
protecting his
I like to
interest.
say that.
He's protecting his interests. He's
Yeah,
I
he's
like to say
protecting his
that,
interests.
is
Yes, I agree with you.
Yes,
completely.
Mr. Mohan, quickly.
I like to say that Dhoni is the most successful captain for India.
No, please.
And when they play the IPL
No, please.
franchise, it's a different tournament.
No, please.
And I agree with Atul
please.
that the
No,
state
no.
association, they don't have the representation of players. If they have the representative of the players, they can definitely fight for some good cause.
No,
and
one
there's
second.
no voting rights or nothing.
No.
It's
No, I'm going to take a break.
God.
Okay, so what we'll do is what?
Oh my God.
Okay, we're going to take a break and come back for 5 more minutes of this debate because one of our panelists says.
Try to damage the image
No,
of Dhoni.
I'm putting this question to you. I'll take a couple of calls today also. I'll take a break, come back in 5 minutes, and I'm going to open up to calls because getting a lot of feedback into our newsroom. Should Dhoni step aside or should we just forgive him and say he came under pressure? I'm back in a couple of minutes.